Hello there. I'm looking smug because I'm laughing at myself. Um, Welcome to the Rummage and Vintage Menagerie of Parsons, Kansas official premiere broadcast of sales. You got it. First, glasses. I believe that people should be able to see eyes, facial features, stances, postures, gestures, and hear intonations. It's so exciting. Um, in this, I am going to be offering a few things in this first video. Excuse me, I'm sucking on peppermint. Maybe I shouldn't, but if I spit it out, I've got to start again. And the gods know I am no TV personality. Although I'm cute enough to be. Ain't that right, ladies? Got it. This is totally impromptu. I couldn't rehearse a speech if I had to. So, what I want this channel to be, this Facebook page, is a section of me and a little information, product, of course, or products. More than likely, I'm not going to waste time, your time, because it's easy for me. Um, Although that's strange coming from the 12-year-old me, the 10-year-old me, even the 31-year-old me. I'm 61 now. It's easy. I can talk to y'all because I'm not in a room packed with you. So there. Um, I was always told that there's some words that when you use them in a speech, they're no-nos. Being one of them, and being another, but another. So I will try to use them less frequently. This is scary though, because so far I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 takes. So that's why I was grimacing at myself, snarling at myself, and laughing with myself. Um, I want to break a moment and give you the first opportunity to want to buy something. The first person who comments sold this item will get to buy it. It's an old Allstate premium quality lubricant tin. Well sealed. This is 1 pound and it is full. I don't believe the cap's ever been off. I don't know whether, no, the light's going to get in the way, you won't be able to read it. I'm not going to try to read them. It'll make it too long. As you can see, there's virtually no spotting on the lid, which most of the time there would be if it had been opened. It's purely sealed. Now, if you want this, all you've got to do is say bin Allstate 10, and the cost will be, let's set it at $15, and that's with you paying the shipping. I will empty it. It is full. If you want the grease in there, the lubricant, then I'll leave it in there and ship it that way for you. It's up to you. It's a nice little can, very clean. I don't know whether holding it closer will help. Nope. There's the seam. As you can tell, it's completely undamaged. There may be, and I can't see right now, I didn't notice any scratches on it. So that's the first item. There aren't going to be very many per TV show. I don't care whether you call it a podcast, a movie, a weak or strong attempt to do something different. I feel like being on TV. I enjoy tins, mainly kitchen, things like that. I have one cool one that Ben Ewing gave me, and I will show it to you. It is amazing, and it is full almost. It is used, and it's got that. Ben and I used to work together, and he showed up this past year and gave me this. It is so cool. And no, it is not for sale at any price. Okay, I'll put him up in a little bit. Bag him back up because the top is open. But let's go with sale number 2. And that's a large 10-pound tin of amazing Skelly Tagalane lubricant. And it is clean. The handle is in great condition. There are, of course, a few scratches. It does need cleaned. It does have about 9 pounds of lubricant in it. Here's the top. There's the bottom. Let me get you a better picture of the seam so you can see it is not leaking. This needs cleaned. It is not, it's greasy. It's not leaked through. That tin is worth $35. And if you want it, be the first to comment Ben, Tagalene, or Skelly tin, and you'll buy it. I can ship it as is with the grease in it, or I can attempt, and it looks like it'd come off, attempt to take the lid off and empty it. Now I won't clean it, but I will package it so that it will not leak at all, and it will not affect the surrounding package. So, excuse me. that's basically what I want to do today. And I'm going to have fun with this. I hope y'all do too. Peace out. Aho. And hey, find the blessings in everything there is. I mean, even the ugly and the bad. The ugly and is not easy to find blessings in. And I'm not saying the blessing is found in the death. It's found afterwards in the life that they gave, in the gifts that they gave all their life, and into their death. Sorry, part of me, the first filming of this, I spoke of that, and it already had me in tears, so I'll get off that subject. There is very little that happens in life, and I'm not saying there's nothing, but I've seen people 100 times worse off than I've had it, and they've made their life a blessing to everybody around them. I hope to do a small portion of that. So I'll leave you with blessings. I hope.